Are you confused about how to select right manufacturer for your mineral water, soft drink and juice plant? Then you are watching a perfect video. Yes, in this most important video, I will share expert tips on how to select right manufacturer for your mineral water, soft drink and juice plant. So keep watching this video. Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Bhavesh Sojitra. I am director of Dharmanandan Techno Projects Private Limited. As I promised you, I am back again with new topic. Dharmanandan company is leading manufacturer of high quality, high technology, world class machines for mineral water, soft drink and juice plant. Before watching further, please subscribe our channel right now with notification bell so that you will never miss any video and you will get maximum information and maximum benefit. Please ask all your questions in the comment box with your phone number and country code. Our team of business growth expert will answer all your questions. And also do not forget to like and share this video. Selecting a right manufacturer is like selecting a life partner. Selection of life partner depends on whether we would be able to spend a happy life with him or her. We never compromise in selection of life partner. Same way, you have to select right manufacturer without any compromise. Yes, I am repeating, you have to select right manufacturer without making any compromise. You are planning to set a foundation for your business on which you will build a great building. So it is obvious that your foundation must be strong. If you are planning this business for long-term profit and want to create a brand, then selection of right manufacturer is very much important. Good news is that though you are new in this business, you can still make right decision for selection of right manufacturer who can guide you and help you to run this business successfully. So the next question is, what are the criteria for selection of right manufacturer? Well, let me explain this. Right manufacturer must have good experience in manufacturing of mineral water, soft drink and juice machine, and he must be expert in this field. They should have very good production capacity and excellent factory setup. They must have competent production team and good after sales service team. Right manufacturer must have an expert team who can help you in getting ISI, FSSI and international license successfully. Right manufacturer must have a tool room in their factory. Right manufacturer is the one who is capable of implementing your entire project right from plant designing, machine manufacturing, supply, installation, after sales service and getting ISI, FSI and international license with his right experience and right intention. The next question is, how will you come to know that the manufacturer is qualified as per the criteria I have just shared? For that, you have to visit their factory and have a meeting with them. During meeting, manufacturer must be able to understand your needs, your wants, your challenges and your dreams and goals for this business, and also check all the criteria which I have just shared. If manufacturer fulfills all above criteria and if you feel trust on him, then you are placing strong foundation for your business by selecting that manufacturer. You must feel confident after meeting that manufacturer, and if you feel so, you have taken first step towards selection of the right manufacturer. Majority of the manufacturer in this industry are only and only RO plant supplier, and they trade other machine from different third party vendors. And guess what? In such case, you will never get best quality machine and expert after sales service. Never make selection of the manufacturer based on only and only lower price. As you all know, best things are never cheap and cheap things are never ever best. You can never build your business for long-term profit based on low quality cheap machine. Right manufacturer will give you best deal. And what is the best deal? Best deal is high quality machine, long life, long durability, long-term enjoyment of your machine and good relation. You need to choose best life partner for your business. I invite you to visit our factory in Surat in India and check out whether Dharmanandan is best for your dream business. Our team of business growth expert will be ready to help you. If you love this video, then do not forget to like and share this video with your friends and relatives. Keep watching our video by subscribing our channel with notification bell and you will get all the videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye friends, and I will meet you with new topic in new video.